What's up, RXT? Happy Wednesday, April 1st. So we've got a fun workout for you guys today. We're gonna do a 10-mile ruck run. Boom, boom, boom. I'm just kidding. It is April 1st, but we do have a fun workout for you guys today. So let's talk NC45. We've got 4 sets for our strength. We're gonna do 10 slow dumbbell curls, 10 slow sumo dumbbell deadlifts, and then we've got a 1-minute hollow hold. Okay. With those curls, if we've got 2 dumbbells, do our curls how we normally do. We can either have our wrists facing forward and curl up to our chest, or we can do more of that hammer curl style where the dumbbells are facing forward and then we touch those dumbbells to the chest. Whatever option that we choose to do, we want to make sure that these are as strict as possible and we're not trying to do something like this. If it says slow, take your time. Give it about a 2 to 3 second kind of up and then a 2 to 3 second down. So do the best as you guys can to stay slow and stay strict on those. Same thing with the sumo deadlifts. If we've got 2, we can have the dumbbells a little bit closer to the inside of our body. Nice and slow on the way down. Same thing, back up. Should be about a 2 to 3 second up and down on that one. Sumo deadlifts, not much to go over with you guys. We've been doing quite a few of these. Really drive those hips back. Shoulders are pulled back. Belly is nice and tight. And then big squeeze of the butt on the way back up. Okay? Making sure we're keeping that back as safe as possible. For the workout, we've got a 12-minute EMOM, 3 different movements. Excuse me, which means you guys will be doing 4 rounds of this. We have a 45-second run, row, or a bike. If we're choosing to run, you guys can run inside. You can do jumping jacks for 45 seconds. You guys can do kind of your dumbbell taps. Just find a way to kind of get those lungs pumping for 45 seconds. Next movement that we have are 20 dumbbell suitcase deadlifts. So we did sumo on the strength. We're going to do suitcase for the workout. So you guys have 2 of the dumbbells. Suitcase just means we're at a little bit more narrow of a stance. Dumbbells are to the side. Touch the front of those belts to the ground, and then stand back up, okay? This is a tough range of motion for some of us, so we gotta make sure that, again, we just have those shoulders pulled back, really drive those hips back, okay? Even at the bottom, we shouldn't see a round of those shoulders. We still want the shoulders pulled down and back, okay? And then stand back up. If that's too tough of a motion for you, don't be afraid to go back to the sumo deadlifts. It's a much more comfortable position to be in. If you guys only have 1 dumbbell, I would do 10 on your right, 10 on your left. If you're really good, 20 on your right, 20 on your left, but try and stick with the 10 and 10 maybe. Last movement that we have is the reverse lunge. Same thing, 10 and 10 on that. You guys can hold the dumbbells however you guys want. We can either hold them in the rack position up here and do our reverse lunges, or we can hold them at the sides, same thing, reverse lunge, okay? For some of us, this is a little bit tougher than forward lunges, so just take your time on this, have a good position as that knee goes down, and then come on all the way back up, okay? That is your NC45. Have fun.